doesn't inspire much confidence. There has been a moderation which has happened with respect to loan growth as well. There has been a bit of a moderation overall in terms of business as well. And yes, there have been other issues which have been plaguing the company. For instance, Citi says that Q1 business update is broadly in line with estimates. Seasonality was one of the factors, the reason why we have seen a bit of a slip this time around. And there has been an increase in the, grade 3 and the grade 2 assets as well. So that's a bit of a worrying factor for the street right now. NIMs, which had surprised positively in Q4, are anticipated to moderate from a high base. That's the view coming in from Citi. Jefferies also maintains hold with a target price of 294. They say that overall the company will need a better visibility around the return on asset ratio to drive further re-rating from here on. The stock has been dealing with a lot of issues of late, has been, pretty sideways. But let's see where it goes from here. Very uninspiring in the sense of Q1 update.
But I have a different opinion out there. I mean, you may want to comment on it. What is happening is that we all know that mfinance is a work in progress. They are trying to repair the overall outfit. This is the only, perhaps, the shadow area in the entire M&M kind of basket. And there are changes. There are changes happening. They may be shrinking the balance sheet for all you know. The disbursement is barely under 5%, right? But the collection is very strong.
95.
And the valuation is already factoring in the worst, right? They are also likely to have an analyst meet shortly, or they have already had it, because there are some people who are left around that. Mfinancials will watch out for that one. If you look at the valuation table, it is actually factoring in already. So there is, pull up M&M Finance part, peer comparison, Chola, Bajaj, Capri, where's M&M Financial in that? M&M Finance, 1.7 times just comes second to Shriram Finance. So whatever negative we are talking about, already in the price. There's a new leader out there. We should give him 1 or 2 quarters. Things start showing results of turnaround there. This is one area to watch out for, because the biggest tailwind right now is in rural side. RBI governor is saying there is green shoot in, this is a complete pure rural distribution play, right? And the government also is likely to put a lot of money and effort for turnaround in urban, in rural India. So this is a play. If it coincides with the management turnaround, the numbers turnaround led by a new management, this is one stock to watch out for, because already factoring in a lot of, we have got a list of troubles which are brewing there. Do we have that graphic? All the issues which M&M faced in the last 1 year.
Them off. Yeah.
So that's a, take it with a pinch of salt and keep it on your radar. It's a very strong candidate for a turnaround in the next 3 to 6 months.